Hey everyone, welcome to SmartFarm documentary. Corn is one of the most important crops in modern agriculture, and the United States is widely known as the corn empire of the world. Across the vast corn belt, stretching from Iowa and Illinois to Nebraska and Indiana, millions of hectares of farmland produce enormous quantities of corn every year. This golden crop plays a crucial role in the global food system. Corn is not only consumed directly as food, but is also widely used in animal feed, industrial food production, and biofuel manufacturing. Every year, American farmers harvest hundreds of millions of tons of corn, supporting a multi-billion-dollar agricultural economy. From endless golden fields to advanced processing factories, the journey of corn reflects the remarkable combination of nature technology and human effort that powers modern agriculture. The journey of corn begins long before the first green shoots appear in the field. Successful corn farming starts with careful seed selection. Farmers choose hybrid or genetically improved corn varieties that are resistant to pests, adaptable to climate conditions, and capable of producing high yields. Before planting, the soil must be carefully prepared. Farmers analyze soil quality, checking its pH-level nutrient balance and drainage capacity. Large tractors equipped with plows and cultivators loosen the soil, remove weeds, and improve aeration so that roots can grow deeply and absorb nutrients efficiently. Once the field is ready, modern planting machines begin their work. These seeders place corn seeds into the soil with incredible precision, usually 1.5 to 2 inches deep, and spaced evenly across rows. Many planters today are guided by GPS technology and digital sensors, ensuring that each seed is planted at the optimal distance to maximize productivity. After planting, irrigation becomes essential for healthy growth. Corn requires a consistent supply of water, especially during critical growth stages. Many large farms rely on center pivot irrigation systems which rotate across wide fields and distribute water evenly across hundreds of hectares. Fertilization is another key factor in achieving high yields. Corn plants require large amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support strong leaf development and kernel formation. Modern fertilizer applicators deliver nutrients precisely to each section of the field, helping farmers optimize crop performance while reducing environmental impact. During the growing season, farmers constantly monitor the crop for pests and diseases such as corn earworms, stem borers, and fungal infections. Integrated pest management techniques combine biological control methods, resistant crop varieties, and carefully applied pesticides to protect the plants. As summer progresses, the corn plants grow taller and eventually produce tassels and ears. Pollination occurs when pollen from the tassels reaches the silks of the ears, allowing kernels to form. If conditions remain favorable, the kernels gradually fill with starch and nutrients, preparing the crop for harvest. When the corn plants reach maturity, and the kernels dry to the appropriate moisture level, harvest season begins. In large commercial farms across the United States, harvesting is carried out using powerful combine harvesters. These machines move across the fields, cutting the corn stalks and separating the kernels from the cobs in a single continuous process. Inside, the harvester rotating systems remove leaves and debris, while clean kernels are collected in large storage tanks. Once the tank is full, the corn is transferred into trucks that transport the grain to nearby storage facilities or processing plants. Modern combine harvesters can harvest dozens of acres per day, dramatically increasing productivity while reducing the need for manual labor. After leaving the fields, the harvested corn enters processing facilities where it undergoes several important steps to ensure quality. First, the corn is cleaned and inspected to remove dust-broken kernels and plant residues. Advanced sorting systems classify the kernels according to size, color, and quality standards. Some corn is sent to factories that produce animal feed, ethanol fuel, and industrial starch, while other batches are processed for food products. In canning factories, the corn cobs are washed and the kernels are separated from the cob using specialized machines. The kernels are then briefly heated in hot water to preserve their color and flavor before being cooled and sealed into cans. Other corn may be processed into frozen vegetables, corn flour, or snack ingredients for the food industry. Corn is one of the most versatile crops in the world, and it appears in many forms in our daily lives. Fresh corn can be eaten directly or cooked in traditional dishes. Processed corn products include canned corn baby, corn popcorn, corn flour, corn oil, and breakfast cereals. In addition to food, corn is also an important raw material for producing ethanol fuel and livestock feed, making it essential for both agriculture and energy industries. Because corn contains fiber, vitamins, and essential nutrients, it continues to be an important part of diets around the world. Behind every successful harvest are the farmers and workers who dedicate their time and knowledge to cultivating the land. Modern American farmers combine traditional farming experience with advanced technologies such as GPS-guided tractors, automated irrigation systems, and high-capacity harvesters. These innovations allow them to manage vast fields efficiently while improving productivity and sustainability. Corn farming also supports entire rural communities by creating jobs in agriculture, transportation, processing, and food production. From a tiny seed planted in fertile soil to the golden kernels that reach markets around the world, The journey of corn is a remarkable example of modern agriculture in action. Through careful cultivation, advanced technology, and the dedication of farmers, millions of tons of corn are produced every year to feed people, support industries, and power economies. The next time you enjoy corn in your meal, remember that behind every kernel lies an incredible story of agriculture technology and human effort working together.